Hello there, it's creepy Christmas time. We are in Stratford-upon-Avon. I'm Alex.
I'm Helen.
We are creepy attractions and we go visiting unusual, weird, creepy kind of things. Now this particular one is being held in a place called Magic Alley, which is a very cool kind of alternative shop in its own self, but they've got a special Krampus event on. We're not 100% sure what it is. It sounds kind of escape room-ish, but also it's just based around that really cool thing that is Krampus, so we're going to go along and see what's what. So if you haven't already, by the way, if you can subscribe, become part of the creepy crew, that'd be great. Smash that notification button so that you get to hear about our videos, and like and share this with people that you think would enjoy these videos. I'm looking forward to this. What about you?
Me too. I'd just like to start the video with a disclaimer.
Cool.
That I've had this lipstick on all day.
I think it looks great.
Right, should we go and do it?
Yeah, I've had this lipstick on all day as well, so it's all good.
Okay, so here we are. Magic Alley. It's really pretty actually along here. I don't think the Christmas lights are on at the moment, but they're up and ready to go.
Christmas tree inside here.
Here we go. Stratford-upon-Avon's most magical attraction. Abandon hope, all ye who enter here, or if you've come for the event, call for entry as the door is locked. Thanks, kisses, Satan. It looks very cute. Some Christmas trees there.
I'm going to give Satan a phone call quick. Hello there, we've got a ticket for 6:15, I think. I am in Krampus can see. Thank you.
What did he say?
So, what is it, she? But, so Krampus can see us. And they will come and let us in. Can you hear him ringing? That's what you said.
Right, well, now we wait. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's do it.
You see, look for that shape and write it down as requested, and then at the end, rearrange them into 2 words associated with Krampus.
Okay.
And as I say, you can take as many photographs as you like, but please no videos.
No
Yeah.
problem.
We do have CCTV cameras in operation, so no misbehaving, sir.
No,
Otherwise, I'll
I
throw
do-
you out. Either that or I'll feed you to
me.
Krampus. Have lots of fun. When you do come out, fetch your answers to me, and I will check them and reward you if I think they are right.
Thank you very much.
Lovely. Thanks so
Brilliant.
much.
Thank
Thank you. It is freezing, but we survived Krampus.
We did. It's we trudged through some snowy stuff and that. As you probably heard at the beginning, we weren't allowed to film, so we've included what we can. But we thought we'd let you know what we thought about it all and what we had to do. Basically, we got given this guide, and we had to go around and fill in lots of puzzles and things. Oh, spoiler!
So they're family-friendly puzzles, but some of them are quite hard.
Some of them were like proper, like, oh no.
But there's some that are slightly more challenging, and then there's ones that are just sort of really easy, sort of match it up for the little ones.
Yeah.
I mean, I smashed that one snow room.
That snow room, it's like boom. It's like, baby, you did that so fast. Feeling what was in the stocking and looking at the letter.
And then halfway round, we met Krampus. Oh, sorry
We
to
did.
hit you with my hat.
That's all right.
We met Krampus. We had to ring some bells and confess our sins.
Yes. That's tough when it's on the spot.
It's tough when it's on the spot. But Krampus said that we were very naughty, which I'm pleased about. And I told Krampus that I loved him. And he gave us some presents. He said that they're shit.
He literally said that. He said, no, they are. They're terrible. They will break.
So do you want to open yours?
I was going to say it till Christmas.
It's a yo-yo!
Yo-yo!
Oh, that's really fun, actually.
That's really fun. It lights up as well.
Oh, amazing.
I mean, he did say that he'd got his nasty minions to remove bits so they break really quickly. I don't know if that's just a way of saying that they're a bit crap and they'll probably break, or whether they really have.
So I think mine's probably a yo-yo as well. Can you open mine?
No. It's 1,000 No, it's a yo-yo.
Oh, well, that's cool.
We can have yo-yo battles, babe.
We can have yo-yo battles. I remember it when I was at school. Everyone was like, "Oh, look at this, cat's cable on the dog." And we got a little certificate of achievement. The Dark Side of Christmas. This certificate is proudly presented to Alex or Helen. Congratulations, you have completed your quest and retained your position on the naughty list.
No sweat.
So I'm really pleased.
Yeah, I really enjoyed it. It was fun. It was a lot of like sort of logic-y kind of imagery puzzles more than anything. The Krampus bit in the middle, fantastic. Different kind of themed bits. Like I say, hopefully we've shown you a few bits and bobs, but we're trying to explain it as much as we can. Really enjoyed it. It was good fun. It took us about an hour to go around it properly. Excuse me, about an hour to go around it properly, and it's really nice theming. People there are lovely as well. So
yeah, really nice.
Thoroughly recommended. It's good.
Yeah, good family creepy fun.
Yep.
So another creepy Christmas activity done. Subscribe for more.
And we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.